Thousands of Palestinians on Thursday staged demonstrations in the West Bank and Gaza Strip against U.S. President Joe Biden's first visit to Israel and the Palestinian territories, slamming his biased stance on the Israeli-Palestinian issue. In the coastal enclave of the Gaza Strip, ruled by the Islamic Resistance Movement, hundreds of Palestinians waved Palestinian flags and chanted slogans at the Square of the Unknown Soldier in western Gaza City to condemn Biden's visit, which started on Wednesday.
بايدن هذا الضيف ثقيل الظل غير مرحب به من كل شعبنا الفلسطيني ومن كل القوى السياسية على الساحة الفلسطينية، لأن هذه الإدارات الأمريكية المتعاقبة سواء جمهورية أو ديمقراطية هي إدارات منحازة لهذا العدو المجرم، بل مشاركة لهذا العدو الصهيوني ضد شعبنا الفلسطيني وضد قضيتنا الفلسطينية.
I am here, just came to protest about the Biden visit to the West Bank. I hope our president will not accept him, because this visit will not achieve anything for the Palestinians. It will not release all of the Palestinian prisoners. It will not stop the Israeli violations against our Palestinians. It will not stop the continuation building the settlements. And also, we hope our president will not accept this visit.
Hundreds of Palestinians also took to the streets in the north and west bank city of Nablus in protest against the visit.
His visit is only to consolidate and support the continuation of settlement activities, which are killing the very last opportunity of peace based on two-state solution. In our opinion, this visit is only to serve Israel's interest and to serve American interest in creating a new military alliance